Hi, my name is Norh. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Logicyte. At Logicyte, our vision is to make cell therapy manufacturing scalable, reliable, and accessible. Today, life-saving treatments like CAR-T are constrained not by the science, but by manufacturing bottlenecks, particularly slow, manual, and episodic quality control. We're building autonomous in-process analytics that integrate directly into bioreactors, enabling real-time insight into cell identity and health as therapies are being manufactured instead of hours later. The TiE Silicon Valley program has been instrumental in helping us sharpen this vision and translate it into a company that can scale. The mentors were exceptionally experienced and hands-on, and the real value came from building rapport over many weeks of candid conversations, coaching, and iteration. That continuity made the guidance practical and not theoretical, and I'm grateful for the support TiE Silicon Valley has provided us. Next, we're focused on expanding pilot deployments with manufacturing partners and preparing for our next phase of growth. If our mission resonates with you, connect with me at norh@logicyte.bio. Thank you.